Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up newbie share on your SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV. So, firstly we need to open control panel, then enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location services. So find location, I can see location services. Where are locations? Oh, location is on. Okay, enabled. So then find newbie share, click and hold on it, enable newbie share, wait a while, click add or verify, scroll down, click yes I'm in, and go. Now you can change your device name, for example Hearts phone or SONY Mark 4. Click rename. Cool. You can change device visibility mode. I suggest to use everyone mode or only contacts mode, for example, but I suggest to use everyone mode. You can change data usage mode, or you can change, you can set Wi-Fi only or Bluetooth only or data, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth modes. So that's it. Now we can send and receive data using newbie share on our device. And for example, I want to send this image from my Android device, from my OnePlus to Sony device. So on any Android device, click send, then click share via newbie share, allow all, and here you will see all available newbie share devices. In my case it's Sony Mark IV, this device, so click on it, wait a while, click accept, and cool, as you can see image was successfully sent. And that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.